Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am here to share with you Vlogmas Day 20. Today is Monday, December 20th. I am totally on time and I am real excited to open these advent calendars. I'm going to keep calling them advent calendars. I'm going to try to remember individually what they are. Don't I say that like in every video? I'm so sorry. But it is a daily opening of a gift in 3 different boxes, which I'm very excited about. So the first thing that I would like to do is ask you to please consider subscribing. It's okay if you want to watch the whole video and see if, you gel with me. That's cool. But I would really like for you to subscribe and perhaps ring the bell so you don't forget or so that you don't miss any of my future videos. You're also going to find that I just let things slide, I am definitely not perfect and I'm not going to redo this video. So you're just going to see all my flaws and all. So let's first get to the cotton cuts. And the cotton cuts is Rosa's Holiday Your Way box. So here it is. Let's get this one open and see what we received for day 20. Okay, here's the little bag. And let's get it open. It says, when life gives you scraps, make a quilt. Yes, why don't ya? I think we ought to take, I wonder what it would look like if we took all of the fat quarters that we received from the Cotton Cuts box and just made some sort of scrappy quilt with it. I don't know how we would cut them up. We'd have to really find something fun, but I bet that would be kind of cool looking. That's something to think on. Anyway, here's the fabric for today. And I know I just got this in one of their classic boxes and I really like it. I don't remember what you'd think I would remember what the fabric is. Oh, it's called Bright Days by Ann Kell for Robert Kaufman. Isn't it pretty with all the rainbows? I love it. Okay, so that is our fat quarter from Cotton Cuts. And let's just wrap this back up. And we're going to move on to the Allison Glass. Now, the Allison Glass calendar is called an advent calendar. And she's giving us a bunch of stickers. And I'm looking for day 20. And here it is right up on the top over here. I'm trying to make sure I'm pointing to the right spot. There it is. That little guy right there. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. There's our sticker for today. A very nice log cabin block. I love log cabins. And I have a friend, Nancy Gus. She really likes log cabins too. I'm pretty sure it was Nancy Gus. Who was making all the log cabins? I'm telling you, it must have been her. Of course, I could just see her. Now she's going to be coming back to me. That wasn't me, Yvette. Okay, and I would love to open the Crimson Tate for you, but Jellybean is sitting on it. JB, can Mommy have that box for just a minute? You can have it back. He won't even look at me. Can I use this box for a second? Oh, thank you, boo. I'm sorry. Okay, here's the Crimson Tate box. I love her box, even. The stickers, the colors, the everything. I love it. Okay. Here is our Day 20 bag. Y'all, I just noticed something in here. I'm gonna have to show you in just a sec. Because Jellybean is gonna, oh my goodness. She gave us a pencil. And it says XOXO Crimson Tate. Jellybean. Okay, he's gonna sniff it for a while. Okay, but nobody can see anything except you. It says XOXO Crimson Tate. It's a little pencil. It's all sharpened and everything. It's got a purple eraser. Oh my goodness. I love it. It totally goes with her one of her fabric collections. I love it. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. Here is the fabric. This totally looks like Anna Maria again. And it may even be from Bright Eyes. I'm not sure. Let me look at the selvage because we actually have one. Yes, it is Bright Eyes. And that is so pretty. Look at the colors. I mean, if you are into modern fabric anyway, you're going to love this. It's totally gorgeous. Okay. Oh, and here is the solid that we were sent with that, which is gorgeous. And it totally goes with it. So I want to show you, I just saw this. It's like when you have like all of the fabrics together in the box, and like it was, you know, chockers full of like little bags of fat quarters. So you don't really see this one that says open for an emergency pick-me-up. I'm not going to open it yet. I mean, I'm feeling kind of perky tonight, but I'm going to keep that in mind if I'm ever having like that kind of thing. I'm looking at all of my little extras in here. I'm trying to figure out where my little, oh, there he is. We're going to take one more look at my little origami. Because it is a little origami for us. She like totally acknowledged that. Oh, okay, so I'm going to have to find a safe spot for that. Because the cats will find it and they'll knock it all over the house. Okay, so let's get this all closed up until tomorrow. And put this back down here. Oh, hi, Sammy. I thought you were Mr. JB. It's not. It's Sammy. So, anywho, it is Monday. It is December 20th, and we are coming up on my birthday. And I think I've already shared that I'm going to be 49 on Saturday. And I've decided that, you know, leading up, I'm going to try to have some pretty good giveaways. At least I think that they're going to be pretty good. So for today, I'm going to give you a little task to try to become one of the winners of these lovely things that I'm going to give away for today. And I think that today, what I would like you to comment on down below is if you were going to go to the movies on Saturday, which movie would you choose and why? I know this means that you're going to have to like go over to the Google. You're going to have to Google up what movies are going to be in the theater on Saturday. I think yeah. So far for the past like few years, there's always been like a great Star Wars movie that was playing, and that's what I normally go for. This year, I'll be honest, nothing's really jumping out at me. I thought I was going to like sing to. Because I love to sing. You know, I love to sing. However, I watched the little trailer and I'm like, I don't know. And besides, I think if I chose that, Jim would probably he wouldn't be very happy with me. He would go. I know he would be a sport and he'd go, but it wouldn't be like his choice to go. And then I'm totally not like into the whole Marvel thing. So, you know, the quad, I don't know. Is this like Spider-Man number 4,910,000? I don't know. It's too much. It's too much darn Spider-Man on the thing. But I thought, you know, maybe Spider-Man would be good to fall asleep to. I don't know. Because I think we all know I'm going to fall asleep. I'm going to get to the theater. I'm going to buy me popcorn with extra butter and either a Diet Coke or a Coke Zero. Coke Zero is preferable, but I'll take either one. And I'm going to finish it all up while we're watching all of the, you know, whatever it is that they put up there. Not only the previews, but like they'll have commercials and stuff like that. And then the movie's going to start and they're going to turn all the lights down and I'm going to like recline my chair and then, you know, I'm going to be out. Anywho, that's what I would like you to comment on down below. What movie would you choose and why? I'm not saying I'm going to pick your movie, but I'd really like to hear what other people have to say. Why not, you know? And it'll be fun for you to go and see what's going to be at the movies this Saturday as well. So what could you possibly win, you may be asking? I am going to have the computer randomly pick 3 people from the comments below. Your comment has to be talking about what movie you want to go see and why. And you could win one of these lovely fat quarter bundles. This is Sherry and Chelsea, and I think it's called Happy Days. This is the Happy Days collection, and it's a nice big collection. I think there's like 30 cuts. Yeah, there's 30 fat quarters in here. And I have 3 bundles. So I'm going to pick 3 winners for these fat quarter bundles, and I'm going to choose them from the comments below. When am I going to choose them? You may be asking. Well, I'm going to choose them on, let's see. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'll choose them on Wednesday, and then I'll announce the winners on Wednesday's Vlogmas, which will be Vlogmas Day 22. So you'll want to look there. And at the end of this video, I will be posting the list of winners from Friday's live that I had with 5 other creators, and we had a great time that night. So I do have those winners. I like to verify them before I announce them. So I'm pretty sure everybody's been verified. I will put a list of that after this, so you'll see everybody who won. Congratulations to all the winners, and good luck to all of you for one of these 3 lovely bundles, and I'll announce that on Wednesday. But before then, I will be saying good night. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Mwah.